Hello students, this is Hardik sir, and today we will be starting our second chapter of geography from standard 7. The title of the lesson is Inside Our Earth. So in this lesson we are going to see something about the interior of the earth. As in the picture also you can find that there are different layers of the earth are clearly seen. So the uppermost layer which covers earth like a skin is known as crust, and the innermost layer that is known as core. So this is all what we are going to see with this chapter. So about the earth, first in the first paragraph itself of your textbook you will find this information that the earth is a dynamic planet. As you can see, it is written as it keeps continuously changing, as earth is continuously undergoing number of changes inside as well as outside, and that's why it is known as dynamic. So there is a question of 1 mark for give reason, why is earth called a dynamic planet? So it is constantly undergoing through number of changes, and that's why it is known as dynamic planet. So next we will be continuing. As you can see in your textbook also, I hope that you would have read the chapter before, and if you have not read it, I request you to go through the chapter once and then come back to the video, please. So first in this picture you can find there are two pictures given, that the first is of the earth with its internal layers, and on the right hand side you will find the picture of onion with number of layers. So like onion only, the earth is also having number of layers. They are known as concentric layers. Concentric means any figure, any shape which has the same center. Means if I take this center and then I draw number of circles, then they are having the same center. So they are known as concentric layers. So just like an onion, the earth is also made up of several concentric layers with one inside another. So here in this picture you will find the different layers as they are seen here. So here there are number of layers of the earth as well as the onion also has like that. So with this picture you will find about all the layers. First you can find crust. So crust is the outermost layer, which is the thinnest, which covers the earth like a skin, is known as crust. We find this is lithosphere, that is the sphere of land. Then we find here this particular region that is known as mantle. Then we have this core mantle boundary as here it is seen, and inside you will find the inner core and as well as the outer core. So with this, first you will find the information about crust. The uppermost layer over the earth's surface is called the crust. As I informed you before also, it is the thinnest of all layers. And we have a question that did you really know that 1%, here it is mentioned as 0.5%, but you can check with the textbook that 1% of the volume of the earth that is formed by crust, 16% that is formed by mantle, and 83%, the highest, is of the core. Continental crust and the oceanic crust, the next part you will find in your textbook. So continental crust, which is about 35 kilometers on the continental masses and 5 kilometers on the ocean floors. The oceanic crust mainly consists of silica and magnesium, and it is therefore called SIMA. It is abbreviated form SIMA, that is silica. SI stands for silica and MA stands for magnesium. So the oceanic crust is mainly composed of, as you can find here, the oceanic crust is mainly composed of SIMA, that is silica and magnesium, and the continental crust, which is of 35 kilometers, so that is about made up of silica and alumina. So that stands for Si for silica and Al for alumina. So the abbreviated form is SiAl. We find information about mantle also. So just beneath the crust there is a mantle which extends up to 2900 kilometer below the crust. So just below the crust we have another layer, and that is layer known as mantle, as shown with the different color in the picture itself, and it has a depth of 2900 kilometer below the crust. The third, the innermost layer, that is core, which is the most inaccessible zone of the earth. The innermost layer is the core, which is of around 3500 kilometer depth. It is made up of nickel and iron. So nickel, Ni stands for nickel, and Fe, that is ferrous, that means iron. So its abbreviated form is NiFe. And the central core has very high temperature and pressure. So that is having a very high temperature and pressure. As we all know that the interior of the earth is made up of lava. So that's what we are discussing here. We have some interesting facts. The deepest mine of the world is in South Africa. It is about 4 kilometers deep. Here you will find that in search for oil, engineers have dug a hole about 6 kilometers deep in the interior of the earth, in the crust of the earth. To reach to the center of the earth, approximate kilometers are given, that is 6,000 kilometers deep on the ocean floor. Means if you want to reach to the center, then you will have to dig up to 6,000 kilometers, but the exact figure you will have to write in the comment box. So this is the end of the part 1. So with the part 2 we will be resuming with rocks and minerals. Thank you for the day. Keep reading, keep learning.